Hello friends, this is Subodh Soni. This is my music system. Make is Ahuja and the model number is BTA880. Since few days it is not working on battery. It has inbuilt battery and it has also 220 volt supply here, and battery is also there in this box, but it is not working on battery. It means battery has gone and it needs replacement. So today I am going to tell you how we can replace battery and how we can know that battery has gone and it is the time to replace. So let us go friends. I will tell you complete procedure. This is music system Ahuja BTA880. I have connected this 220 volt cable here and the light is illuminating, that is indicating the battery is on charge. When battery gets fully charged, it will turn to green. Now you can see this LED has turned green, means battery is charged fully. Now we will check on battery how much backup time we are getting in this speaker. For that I will remove this power cable and put it on battery totally. This I have removed. This light will be off, means there is no charging now. It is off completely. Now I will check it for battery backup. For that I will play some music on it and we'll see how much time music remains continue. Now friends, I am connecting this tablet with this speaker through Bluetooth. Switch on the speaker. This is on and this is mode, Bluetooth mode. This is Bluetooth on. You can see this is connected. So play some music, YouTube. Volume. you can see it is stopped within 3 minutes. Means it is not working on battery. No battery backup is there. Where battery backup must be about 3 hours if the battery is new. Okay, so we will have to replace the battery. I will let you know the procedure how the battery can be replaced. To replace battery, old battery is to be removed. It is here in this portion. So open these screws. Six screws are there. And the last one. Here is the battery. Now we will have to pull it out. It is little bit fixed inside. It is not loose. So we will have to pull with some fixture. I will show you how to take it out. To take out this battery, we can use a wire. Bend the end of this wire and enter here behind the terminal. Like this, and pull it out. And this is here. Remove terminals. This is useless battery. One sponge piece is here to fix in this box properly. So this will be required to fix on a new battery. I have taken it out. Here is my new battery. I will fix it here. It has glue under the surface. It is fixed now, and now I will connect the battery and refix. Terminals connected properly. Now insert in its place. Push it. Put the cover back. Tighten the screws. I have tightened the cover. Now allow it to recharge fully. Plug in with the 230 volt and allow it to recharge fully. It will take some hours to full recharge, and then it is ready to use. You will get backup of 3-4 hours. Thank you for watching my video.